How to clean inbox on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean inbox on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now click messages, and once you're here just just click these 3 points here in the top corner, and then click this one, inbox cleaner, and that's it. Now just select anything you want here and then just click clean up, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.